this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files between your Windows and Mac computer. Now, this will work whether you want to send files from your Windows to your Mac, or also if you want to send files from your Mac to your Windows. Now, the first thing we need to do is head over to our Windows computer. You can click on the Wi-Fi in the bottom of the navigation, and we need to make sure we're connected to the same Wi-Fi on both our MacBook and also Windows laptop. Now, once you've ensured that you're connected to the same network, go and open up an internet browser. In the address bar, you need to go and type in AirDrop.io and then press enter. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing on our Mac computer as well. So go and open up an internet browser and then just type in AirDrop.io and press enter. You can then click on the Upload Files button on either your Mac or your Windows computer, and you can go and select the file that you want to transfer between different computers. Now, if it's a folder that you're trying to transfer, you can click on Upload Folder, and you can go and upload an entire folder like you see here. Now, you may get a security message pop up, just press Upload. As you can see, it will let you know when these files have been uploaded. Now, once they finish uploading, you can go and click on this share button, and then if you scroll down, you'll see share nearby, and you should be able to see your Mac or your Windows computer. Go and click on this. You can then click on share. Now, from our second computer, you're going to get this window pop up, and now you'll be able to see all of the files from your other computer. So all you need to do is press the download all button in the top right hand side. You can then click on allow, and this is going to download all of the files to your second computer. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.